Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a fox, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to make two lines about this length. These are going to be the sides of your fox's face. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to close up these lines with a straight line. And then down here at the bottom, we're going to make some slanted lines coming down. And then we're going to close up those slanted lines with one more line coming across. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to go up to the top to make our fox's ears. To make our fox's ears, they have kind of pointy ears, so I'm going to make some triangles. And then I'm going to come back down into the face to make some details. So coming down from about where my ear is, I'm going to make a straight line and a straight line coming down from the other ear. And then from here, I'm going to make a slanted line coming down this way, like that. Remember, this is a cartoon fox, so it's not too realistic. Now let's make some circles for our fox's eyes. And then we'll put some smaller dots inside for the pupils. The next thing we're going to do is make his nose, which is just simply a triangle. And I like to fill mine in with black marker. And then a straight line down for his mouth. His mouth is kind of tucked underneath his chin here. If you want to make some small whiskers, go ahead and do that. The next thing that we're going to do is make our fox's body. So we're going to make some straight lines down that go a little bit slanted. And then we're going to make some feet, his front feet. To make his front feet, you make two lines. And then you make some toes. So line, line, and toes. Now we close up the bottom of our fox. And to make his back legs, they're just going to be poking out from the side. So we just make shapes that look like this. So it's like, almost like a squared off C and a squared off backward C. For our fox's tail, we're going to make just a line that looks like this. It's a curved line. It's almost like a backwards letter S that's very stretched out. And then we come down and we come back in. All right, so that line comes down and comes back in. These lines are kind of tricky, so you might want to practice those a little bit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back into the tail and make some zigzag lines because foxes do have a little white patch on the tip of their tail. Now let's go back into his body and make a white patch right here. So basically this is an upside down letter U, and I like to keep this part of my fox white because sometimes you see patches of white on a fox. The next thing that we're going to do is make a little bit of a background. You get to choose what kind of background you want to make for your fox, but I'll get you started. So to make the ground, to make the sand or the dirt that he is sitting on, we're just going to go maybe about halfway up his back leg and make a line, jump over his body, and then make another line like this. Remember, we never go right through our fox's body because then he'll have a line through it. Now I'm going to make maybe some little bushes, and you can make trees or flowers, whatever you like to fill in the space around your fox. Alrighty, I hope you like this lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye.